Hi, I'm making bonda. So this is the batter for that. I put 2 cups of besan and 1 cup of rice flour, chili powder, hing and salt, and I'm going to add water and make a paste. It should be like a thick paste, not too thick and not too watery. I'm going to mix it. So now I added water and made a paste. This is the consistency we want. This is mashed potato, and I added salt and turmeric powder, and I'm going to add onions, cilantro, green chilies and curry leaves. Curry leaves. And I'm going to mix them all nicely and make it into small balls. Low flame. While it will just turn it by itself. It's done. Yummy potato bonda.